Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. So we're going to discuss about Unit 11, Western Visayas or Region 6. Western Visayas or Region 6 is one of the regions in the Philippines situated in the western part of the Visayas group of islands. It's known for its stunning natural landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality of its people. The region is composed of 6 provinces: Aklan, Antique, Capiz, Guimaras, Iloilo, and Negros Occidental. First is Aklan. Let's talk about the indigenous crafts of Aklan. Aklan is known for its abaca weaving. The Ati people in Aklan produce stunning abaca woven products including bagsari, a traditional woven bags, salakot, hats, baktak, mats, and the barong Tagalog, traditional Filipino men's shirt, all featuring intricate abaca patterns. So we all know that the barong Tagalog is one of our pambansang kasuotan. Mostly men's wear these shirts or these traditional shirts. So these are example of the indigenous crafts of IPs in Aklan. First is bagsari, woven bags, salakots, hats, baktak, mats. Mostly of these items was used in purpose, while now maybe some of this item is only used to display or for its fashion or souvenirs, especially tourists that goes to this province. So the Ati-Atihan Festival in Aklan celebrates the culture of the Ati people, and it's a great occasion to admire their stunning abaca woven products including bagsari, salakot, baktak, and barong Tagalog, all adorned with intricate abaca patterns. So these are the example of Ati-Atihan Festival. We can see the beautiful and colorful indigenous crafts of the Ati people or the indigenous people of Aklan. Second province is Antique. Antique, known for its buri and rattan crafts. In Antique, the Ati community excels in creating buri bags, rattan furniture like chairs and tables, and banig or mats using buri palms and rattan. These items showcase their craftsmanship and practical utility. During the Binirayan Festival in Antique, you can explore the craftsmanship of the Ati community in creating buri bags, rattan furniture, and banig from buri palms and rattan, highlighting their practical utility and artistry. So these are the examples of the crafts that made by IP people in this province. First is the buri bag, the rattan furniture, and the banig.
Capiz. Capiz shell craft. The Karay people in Capiz craft standing Capiz shell chandeliers. Capiz windows featuring intricate shell patterns and Capiz decorative plates. These crafts often exhibit intricate designs inspired by the region's coastal heritage. Capiz. They are the first-class province of the Philippines, and they are located in the northern part of Pinay Island, the portion of Pinay Island. So Capiz is famous about the Placena Placentra, which is ang oysters shells. Gigamit nila ang mga oyster shells like decorations like lamp shades, mga trays, mga windows, doors or plates. And like for example kani lamp shades, mga lamp, mga decoration sa mga balay ngana. And then Sinadya sa halaran in Capiz offers a platform to appreciate the Karay people's craft of Capiz shell chandeliers, Capiz windows, and Capiz decorative plates, which often feature intricate shell patterns inspired by the region's coastal heritage. So, as what I have said, Capiz windows, mao ni sila, Capiz decorative plates, nga mao ni sila ang tigimo sa kanang mga shells sa ang ilang gigamit nga paghimo sa windows is the oyster shell, mga decoratives, plates, nga mao nilang gipanggamit. is ang oyster shell. So, ang kaning Sidhaya Salar in Capiz, this is a festival in Capiz, which is they celebrated on December 4 until 8. They wear a colorful costumes, and ang kaning festival kay gi-honor nila sa Our Lady of Immaculate Conception. Ang kaning halaran kay the meaning of hala is pag-aalay. An alaran is kung asa nila gibuhat ang festival. Mao na ang meaning sa halaran. Next. This is the example of Capiz shell craft, and they use oyster shells. Next, Guimaras. Nito basketry in Guimaras. The Irainon Bukidnon IPs are known for their Nito baskets, Nito containers, and Nito huts. These items are woven from Nito vines, displaying not only functional use but also the artistry of the indigenous community. So, we have the example of Nito baskets. This one is the example of Nito baskets. So, kung sa rin mabutang dire sa basketry. Mga fruits. So, during the Maginggahan Festival in Guimaras, you can witness the exquisite Nito basketry by the Irainon Bukidnon's IPs, which includes Nito baskets, Nito containers, and Nito huts, all woven from Nito vines, showcasing both functionally and artistry. So, sa Manggahan Festival in Guimaras, kay manggahan means mga mangga. So, sa Guimaras, daghang kadyo mga mangga, they celebrate Manggahan Festival in Guimaras on May. So, ang kaning basketry sa time sa festival sa Guimaras kay panggamito nila ang Nito basketry, pangbutangan nila og mga mangga nga arang daghana kayo. Mao na sa Nito basketry. Nakita ninyo ang kaning Nito basketry sa inig Manggahan Festival or Bisagway Festival na agyapon na ang Nito basketry.
Ma'am, good morning classmate. This is my report in Iloilo. Pottery. Both the tumandok and kaya ay placed in Iloilo court. Interware jars, clay pots, and artistic pottery pieces. The pottery reflects the traditional contemporary design with unique patterns and forms. The Dinagyang Festival in Iloilo is an ideal time to explore the poetry of the Tumandok and Kaya IPs, featuring earthware jars, clay pots, and artistic pottery pieces that blend traditional and contemporary design with unique patterns and forms. So pottery, this is an example of pottery. Tinalak weaving. In some Tumandok communities, you'll find tinalak fabric intricately woven and indigenous material like abaca natural dyes. The design of these textiles often have cultural and symbolic significance, making them highly valuable. While not specific to Iloilo, the Tinalak Festival in General Santos City celebrates the interwoven and Tinalak fabric by the Tumandok communities made with indigenous material like abaca and natural dyes, featuring culturally and symbolically significant design. So, this is an example of Tinalak weaving. Next, Negros Occidental Banig weaving. While not exclusive to Negros Occidental, the Banig weaving craft, particularly practiced by IPs like the Tumandok and Ate, produce intricately patterned the Banig mats and Banig bags. The panad sa Negros Festival in Negros Occidental is an opportunity to explore banig weaving, particularly practiced by hippies like the Tumandok and Ate. You can find interesting patterned banig mats and banig bags that's showcase and craftsmanship. So, this is example of the Banig weaving.